Don't worry, Bella. I'm not returning you. Okay? I'm not returning you. You stay put there. Stay safe. The Yuma Humane Society. That's where I got Bella. It'll be 2 years. January 2nd I got her here. I hope she didn't recognize the place or recognize the smells and think, you're not taking me back, are you? I swore I wouldn't come here, right? I couldn't trust myself. Maybe I'll leave with another one. We'll see what happens. Okay, no, I did not get a dog. Somebody else, Michelle and Linda wanted to go. Michelle wanted to go look at another dog, for a dog. I don't know the story behind her last dog, exactly what happened there, but anyway, she would like to get a dog and she wanted to go down and look. And I just thought I'd go along. There was a really nice dog there that he would have been a good dog, but no, Bella's enough for me, you know. She does. She keeps me busy enough, and she's active enough, and there can be enough confusion at times as it is. So I decided to get something productive done. And actually, this is kind of what laundry day can look like sometimes. Okay. That's just the one side of the RV. Okay, look. All right. Well, I hate to put my dirty laundry on. Oh, well, it's not dirty. Hate to air my laundry on online, but there it is. This happens sometimes. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut into this video. I ran out of time. Let me get away from this copyrighted music. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to finish the video what I had in mind. I ran out of time to finish that one up, so I'm just going to cut into it. Here it is, Christmas Eve. The potluck of potluck dinners is going on. I've never been to a bad potluck dinner, I don't think. They're always good, but Christmas Eve, everybody's making goodies, so it will be good. I want to mention, I appreciate everybody's the comments that's been in the videos lately, or always actually, with very few exceptions. The comments are always wonderful, and thanks for the Christmas and holiday wishes from Bella and I. I wish the same in return. Bella, yeah, what am I making for potluck? There's a half a ham in there, and it's smelling really good in here. And the other kind of dishes and desserts and everything. It's gonna be yummy here after a bit, and then it will probably turn. Then there's gonna be movie night in one of the big tents over there. We're gonna have I think we're gonna watch a Christmas classic, The Christmas Story movie tonight, and then probably after that it'll probably shift gears again, and probably be somewhat of a party tonight, I imagine, too. Anyway, let's say hi to Bella for a second. Bella has been out. We've been out most of the day. She missed her nap. She's probably happy to come in here and relax a little bit. You being a good girl. Say, I just been a good girl all day long. This has been good. So anyway, from Bella and I don't know that I'll post tomorrow or not. So Merry Christmas now. That's all I got. I'll see you soon.